Question number 126. Which of the following was the first woman to hold the office of Ministry of External Affairs in India? Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Question number 127. Who was the first woman judge in the Supreme Court of USA? Correct answer is option third, that is Sandra Day O'Connor. Question number 128. Which of the following has come to be associated with the 2019 Hong Kong pre-democratization protest? Correct answer is Blooded Eye Patch. Option first is the right answer. Question number 129. The commission that drafted Indian Penal Code 1834 was headed by. Correct answer is T.B. Macaulay. Question number 130. The recently deceased Nobel Prize winning author Toni Morrison won the Pulitzer Prize for the fictional work in the year 1988. Identify the work. Correct answer is option third, that is Beloved. Question number 131. Who was one of the first female judges in the British Empire and the first female judge in an Indian High Court? Option third, that is Anna Chandi. Question number 132. Who is the Indian woman sports person to be recommended a Padma Vibhushan? Options are Mary Kom, Kalamjeet Sandhu, P.T. Usha, Anju Bobby George. Here the correct answer is option first, that is Mary Kom. The US Secretary of State is. Correct answer is option first, Mike Pompeo. Question number 134. In 2019, India imposed 200% custom duty on goods imported from which country? Options are Pakistan, China, USA, Nepal. Correct answer is Pakistan. The present UN Secretary General is. Option first is the correct answer, that is Antonio Guterres. India ratified Kyoto Protocol to the UN Framework Convention of Climate Change in the year 2017. Question number 137. Which state first adopted the Panchayati Raj system in 1959? Correct answer is Rajasthan. In Nagaur district of Rajasthan, Panchayati Raj system was first initiated. The current Lok Sabha is the. Correct answer is third, that is 17th Lok Sabha, elected in May 2019. Question number 139. The governor enjoys office at the pleasure of the. Correct answer is President. Question number 140. The current Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India is. Correct answer is Krishnamurthy Subramaniam. Question number 141. The total number of schedules in the Indian Constitution are. Correct answer is 12. There are 12 schedules in the Indian Constitution at present. Question number 142. The total number of high courts in India at present are. Correct answer is 25. Question number 143. In 2019, India won a major dispute against the USA at the WTO. The subject matter dealt with. Option first, renewable energy programs. Option second, steel industry, auto industry, poultry industry. Correct answer is option first, renewable energy programs. The RCEP treaty negotiation concern the subject matter of. Option first, nuclear non-proliferation, free trade agreement, environment treaty relating with the hazardous substances, and option four, none of these. Correct answer is option second, that is FTA, free trade agreement. RCP stands for Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. It is a free trade agreement among the Asia Pacific nations of Australia, Brunei, Cambodia, China, Indonesia, Japan, South Korea, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Now let us move to question number 145. Gangubai Hangal was a well-known exponent of which of the following genres of music? Correct answer is Khayal. Question number 146. Parliament's lack of power to alter the basic structure of the constitution was propounded for the first time in. Correct answer is Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan in a dissenting judgment. Question number 147. A suit is dismissed wrongly on the ground of being barred by the limitation. The order of dismissal would operate as res judicata and a bar on subsequent suit on the same cause of action. This statement is true, this statement is false. It would depend upon the facts and the circumstances of each case, and option for none of these. Correct answer is this statement is true. Question number 148. The Order 7 Rule 11 of CPC provides for. Correct answer is rejection of plaint. Question number 149. In a suit for recovery of Rs 25 lakh, the defendant files its written statement and pleads that it does not owe any money to plaintiff, but in fact it is entitled to recover the sum of Rs 40 lakh from the plaintiff. The defendant, however, does not file a counterclaim. Can the defendant file the counterclaim at subsequent stage in the suit or file a fresh suit recovering the money of Rs 40 lakh? Options are the counterclaim and suit would be barred. Option second, only the counterclaim would be barred. Option third, the defendant can file both, either a counterclaim or a suit. And option four, the defendant's claim stands abandoned. Correct answer is option third, that is the defendant can file both, either a counterclaim or a suit. Question number 150. A files a suit for partition in the High Court of Delhi against her brother B. B relies upon a will executed by his father bequeathing the entire estate in his favor. Options are B has to necessarily file a counter claim seeking probate of the will. Option second, an issue will be framed as to the genuineness and the validity of the will which B can establish without seeking probate. Option third, B has to necessarily file a separate probate petition. Option four, the suit for partition will be stayed until B obtains a probate. Correct answer is option second, that is, an issue will be framed as to the genuineness and validity of the will which can be established without seeking probate.